Before getting started with tokens, I want to talk a bit about some misconceptions that I personally was facing when I was starting doing tokens. When I started with Ethereum programming, I was listening about tokens and token transfers. I was actually thinking that each person was receiving the token and each person had the token in its own wallet. I used to think that transferring tokens was about moving the token from one wallet to another. However, in reality, you will see that the token is a smart contract where all the balances of the token holders are maintained in a table. And when wallets are showing your balance, in reality, they are querying a smart contract that has the list of balances, and by using your address, they can get your balance.